Video adjustments with LifeFlix V5. As you can see, the video adjustments section offers numerous options to refine your video. The brightness section can be increased or decreased according to your preference. Contrast gives you solid tonal control of the video. It detects the dark and bright spots of the tape, and you can move the pointer to the point where it reaches your preferred contrast level. Saturation adds intensity to the tape you've imported. The more the saturation you add, the more vivid and rich it looks. Vibrance controls the background colors as much as possible. Under the Sharpness tab, you will have intensity and radius. As you can see, both intensity and radius can be changed according to the subtlety you expect from your old tapes. Highlights and shadows touch upon the brightest and darkest parts of the tapes, respectively. You can also either increase the level of them or decrease it. Exposure controls highlight minor details of the videos. The higher it is, the brighter the tape looks, as you can see.